We're gonna check here.
Let's see what is in here.
We're gonna check.
Yeah. We can sleep here someday.
Wow, it's so cute.
This is a capsulized.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Because we don't have plan. If I know, so maybe.
It's so cute.
If we know, so Saturday we come here.
We come here Friday evening.
Bantok.
Wow.
The house is
Sabi kong kailangan
cute.
ko. Galing wala bintana ba?
Aircon man
Oh, there's also a triangular one.
We will ask. Oh, there.
Triangular one.
That's a pyramid
I
type.
thought it's
Hindi ka
triangular.
ba parking? Malakat-lakat lang
Ay,
ka?
no. Ay. Layo eh. Madrasat ni Van.
Dito tayo na dito tayo. Oh, nagano.
Ah,
Sige.
Hindi na pwede.
We can park here. Oh, Bunny, what is outside?
Para makasave ka sang
E, 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 e.
okay, ni-serve ka sang energy.
See,
Conserve
this
energy.
ikanapin sa bebe mo ko ta sa
where-
layo na di medyo tutuban daw.
Hindi ka
Ah,
man-
or di ka saslakyan to.
Hindi ka mano kita di. Kaya
Mia,
magabihan kita.
lang at
Okay.
chulat ba na eh?
Okay, okay.
Ha? Ah,
Okay pa daw ganay ma-check
you want
na.
to send?
Bunny.
Ha?
We're gonna check.
Chut katlan na ne? Ah.
Okay, here sige daw you take.
Lalo ka na.
Okay.
Kita ka na.
Close the video.
Malik Resort.
$20. Ano naka-video ka?
Yeah. What's $20? That's so cute. Guest house here in Malik. Magkutapos lang ka tayo pala ilang guest house.
Ah.
Magkutapos lang tayo pala ilang guest house.
No more boy, no more, no more.
Yeah.
Faster na. Faster.
Magkutapos siya. Magkutapos pala guest house ng gagmay na. Ha. Ay, ay gambal.
Richie, you ask them how much the what? The throw there.
$30 for one night for that cute guest house. Hello? Is it go there? Wow, look at this, so nice. They still develop. The water subside because of the summer. Slowly, not to fill down. Not so much water at this time. Yeah, we do.
We have to take the swimming pool over there. That one. That
Yeah.
one. It's a swimming pool.
And when we visit here before, a lot of water until here. Yeah, but now it subside. Where's Sukli? Ah. Wow. So beautiful. The owner here is government or individual? So the owner is so rich.
Maybe the
Huh?
the rent to the
Rent to the government
This
If-
is government.
property, right? But if individual, they're so rich. He's inviting us to eat.
Picture kamu dengan doang.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think that's a good idea.
Yung ba ho? Hasta na diri guro ang tubig kung taob mo.
Yeah, before when we come here, a lot of water. Yeah. So Malik is not designed for swimming, right? Malik is not designed for swimming. Not is, yeah, it's not this. Nobody is swimming, right?
Before, but now, no.
No, right?
Yeah.
Only viewing, eating,
Before we,
relaxing.
the water is dirty.
Oh. Not designed, only eating, relaxing.
Be careful ah.
Yeah.
Tok dal tini men. Tok salat men.
You give me some. Slowly.
You're making noise. Pick up your suit. Woo! Pick up your suit.
Oh, yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah. What's your mama? Yay!
Pili ko ba ang cellphone ko? Ang mga sa bago ka lang?
It's okay. Milak mo to kay pastor na side. Susday. Ikaw ito pili ka.
Ano daw?
That's why we did to go that.
Hmm?
Busog man ta. Yes, expensive, right?
Come on. Not too much.
The plate is big.
Big.
Yeah.
Important the plate is big.
Have my moon also ah. Hadap moon.
Yeah. Okay, that's it big.
Yeah.
Kasi muy nhâm ba nè.
Okay.
Too expensive.
Order the plate is big. Dre?
Kami.
Yeah.
That's
Ito na lang.
that is my mom.
Flight is bit na bit.
Okay, you choose ka.
Ano makatali?
Kaon lang din, bro.
Why at the yata?
Eh, daw gusto na kaon.
This one.
Ipili aga, ro. Malagpo na.
My favorite
Sa importante namit.
Share lang kami.
Importante namit.
What's this? What's this? Saka daw. Saka daw.
Pero yung plano nila may